Hello students, good morning to all of you and welcome to my geography class. In the last class, I was discussed about the physical divisions of India, mainly northern mountainous region and northern river valley region of India. But in this class, I am going to discuss about the Deccan Plateau region of India. It is one of the important physical division of India. Do you know which physical division of India is the oldest physical division of our country? That means, which is the ancient physical division in India? We have got 5 physical divisions: northern mountainous region, northern plain or northern river valley region, Deccan Plateau, coastal plains and islands of India. There are 5 physical divisions. Within these 5 physical divisions, which one is the oldest physical division of our country? Do you know? It is the Deccan Plateau. Deccan Plateau is the oldest physical division in our country. How it is? You know about Pangaea. Yes? Pangaea has had 2 land masses. One is called Gondwana land and other is called Angara land. And there was a sea, shallow sea, between these 2 land masses. The southern part of Pangaea, the landmass is known as Gondwana land. That is, the landmass is located south of Tethys Sea. The Pangaea was formed nearly about 300 million years ago. 300 million years ago. In the Precambrian period of Paleozoic era. Hope you remember it. In the Precambrian period of Paleozoic era, nearly about 300 million years ago. Imagine it. And in this Gondwana land, there are lots of continents like Oceania, including Australia, Africa, South America, and Antarctica is together form this Gondwana. And in this Gondwana land, the Deccan Plateau is a part of it. Deccan Plateau was a part of this Gondwana land. So, the Deccan Plateau region of India was formed nearly 300 million years ago in Precambrian period. Therefore, it is the very ancient landmass found in our country. Okay? Now you see the Deccan Plateau, where it is. The Indian peninsular part is known as Deccan Plateau. What is peninsular? The landmass which is covered by water in its three sides. It is known as peninsula. The southern part of India covered by Arabian Sea, Indian Ocean and Bay of Bengal. So the southern part of India is known as Deccan Plateau. This part is known as Deccan Plateau. Okay? Now you see the boundary of Deccan Plateau. That is north, south, east and west. In the western side, it is the boundary of Deccan Plateau. And this side is like that. That means this part is known as Deccan Plateau. Okay? Another part of Deccan Plateau is found in this region. That is northeast India. You know, this part is northeast India. It is the northeast India. In this part also, a part of Deccan Plateau is found. Like that. Here is Meghalaya Plateau. It is also a part of Deccan Plateau. Okay? Now we see another part which is located in our state Assam. In our state Assam. Now it is two districts. One is called East Karbi Anglong and other is called West Karbi Anglong. It is also a part of Deccan Plateau. Part of Deccan Plateau. And it is easternmost part of Deccan Plateau. It is separated between Deccan Plateau and Meghalaya Plateau. There is a fault which is known as Malda Fault. Malda Fault. The Malda Fault separates Deccan Plateau and Meghalaya. And here is Karbi Anglong Plateau of Assam. So, it is the scenario of Deccan Plateau. Now you see the boundary. In the north, it is North Indian plain. North Indian plains. In the west, Western Ghat mountainous region, and in the east, Eastern Ghat mountainous region. So, it is the simple boundary of our Deccan Plateau. Okay? But this Western Ghat mountain is a part of Deccan Plateau. But after crossing this Deccan Plateau, we have found the western coastal plains of India. And here in the eastern coastal plains of India, in the eastern side. Now you see, the Deccan Plateau is known as dissected plateau. Do you know what is dissected plateau? Dissected plateau means the plateaus which are separated into different parts. That means the Deccan Plateau is not a single plateau. The Deccan Plateau is composed with lots of plateaus. Such as you see now, in the extreme north of Deccan Plateau, the region is known as Merhaba Plateau. In the eastern side of Deccan Plateau, it is known as Sultanatpur Plateau. And between Merhaba Plateau and Sultanatpur Plateau, the plateau region is known as Central Indian Plateau. Next, in the southern part, Telangana Plateau, Bundelkhand Plateau. So this way, lots of plateaus are found in this Deccan Plateau region. And another part is Merhaba Plateau and Karbi Anglong Plateau. So this way, the whole Deccan Plateau is composed with lots of plateaus. Therefore, the Deccan Plateau region is known as dissected plateau. Clear? Now you see, in the northern border of Merhaba Plateau, it is Arauli Mountain, and in the southern part of Merhaba Plateau, it is Vindhya Mountain. In the south of Merhaba Plateau, that is Satpura Mountain. In the extreme north of Sultanatpur Plateau, Mahadev, Mahakal, these are some mountains. And in the western side of Deccan Plateau, it is Western Ghat Mountain, and in the eastern side, it is Eastern Ghat Mountain. And extreme south, where Eastern Ghat Mountain and Western Ghat Mountain is meeting together, the mountain name is called Nilgiri Mountain. That means Nilgiri Mountain connected two mountains, Eastern Ghat and Western Ghat Mountain. And here is located another mountain which is known as Cardamom and Annaimudi in Kerala. The highest peak, mountain peak, found in Kerala, in the Annaimudi mountain, actually in the Western Ghat mountain. It is a part of mountain which is known as Annaimudi. And the mountain peak, highest mountain peak of Deccan Plateau is located here in Kerala, which is known as Annaimudi. Annaimudi is the highest mountain peak of Deccan Plateau. Got it? Now you see the whole plateau region of Deccan Plateau is sloping towards the Bay of Bengal. In this direction, the plateau region is gradually sloping. And the highest mountain range of the Deccan Plateau is Western Ghat mountain. And therefore, from this Western Ghat mountain, gradually the whole plateau region is sloping towards the Bay of Bengal. Towards the Bay of Bengal. Therefore, most of the rivers of Deccan Plateau generally coming out from western side and flowing towards the Bay of Bengal. Now you see, what are those rivers found in Deccan Plateau? The important rivers are Mahanadi, Godavari, Krishna, Kaveri, Pennar, Baida, Narmada, Tapti, etc. These are some important rivers of Deccan Plateau. But which one is the longest and largest river of Deccan Plateau? Which one? Mahanadi? Because the name is Mahanadi. Is it? No. Mahanadi is not the biggest river of Deccan Plateau. So which one? Godavari. Godavari river is located here, nearby Orissa, south of Orissa, south-western part of Orissa. Godavari is the longest and largest river of Deccan Plateau. And the Godavari river has another name because of its longest and biggest river. It is known as South Ganga. We know Ganga is the largest river of India. And therefore, this Godavari river is known as South Ganga. That means southern part of Ganga river, Godavari is. Okay? And you know that the characteristics of South Indian river. South Indian rivers are very swift flowing. Current is very, very fast. Why? Because the whole region is mountainous. In the mountainous region, river currents are generally very swift and fast flowing. Rivers are very fast flowing rivers found in this Deccan Plateau. Therefore, the rivers are very suitable for hydropower generation. Okay? And the rivers which are found in South India, they are not perfect river. Why? Because the South Indian river has no more 3 courses of river. 3 courses of river means an ideal river must have 3 different courses. That is mountainous course, plain course and delta course. These 3 courses must have an ideal river. But these 3 courses are not found in the rivers of Deccan Plateau. Okay? Because the whole region is mountainous. Only mountainous stage of river is mainly seen over this region. And the rivers are dry out in winter season. Because during the winter season, rainfall is absent all over India, except Tamil Nadu coastal region. Tamil Nadu coastal region rainfall occurs throughout the year. The point will be discussed in our next class about the climate of India. Okay? Now, due to lack of rainfall during winter, the rivers are totally dry out and navigation facilities are not available throughout the year. Only summer or rainy season navigation is available over the rivers of Mahanadi, Godavari, Krishna, Kaveri, Narmada and Tapti. All these rivers is flowing. Mahanadi, Godavari, Krishna, Kaveri, Baiga, Pennai. All these rivers are flowing to the eastern direction, to the Bay of Bengal. But west flowing rivers has very small number of west flowing rivers are found. Their west flowing rivers are prominent west flowing rivers, only 2 we have found in this Deccan Plateau. What are those? They are Narmada and Tapti. Narmada and Tapti. In this region, Narmada and Tapti, which are flowing to the Arabian Sea. Arabian Sea. Narmada and Tapti. It is interesting that Narmada and Tapti is a rift valley. And there is a mountain which is known as Satpura. Between these 2 rivers, there is a mountain which is known as Satpura. Both these rivers, Narmada and Tapti, is the rift valley, and Satpura is the block mountain over this region. Okay? And there are lots of small rivers which are originated over the Western Ghat mountain and flowing towards this Arabian Sea. These rivers are very, very small and very, very short. Okay? Now you see Merhaba Plateau. It is also a part of Deccan Plateau, where is located in the northeastern part of India. Meghalaya is another northeastern state of India. Here in this plateau region, there are three hilly regions are found. Hills are found there. What are those? Khasiya, Jaintia, and Garu hills form this Deccan Plateau. Khasiya, Jaintia, and Garu. Another important hill which are found in the Karbi Anglong Plateau of Assam, it is known as Rengma Hill, which helps to form this Karbi Anglong Plateau of Assam. Okay, these are all about our Deccan Plateau. So, hope you clear about the physical division of Deccan Plateau of India. Okay, so I have conclude this lesson for today, and at the very end I want to give you a question which you will try to write. Okay, the question is very important, so you write down, give a brief description about the geographical condition of Deccan Plateau of India. Give a brief description about the geographical condition of Deccan Plateau of India. Another question I want to give you, that write important characteristics of the rivers of Deccan Plateau. Okay, write important characteristics of the rivers of Deccan Plateau. So these two questions are very important for your exam. Okay, so you will try. So I will finish my class for today, and I will continue next about the coastal regions of India and islands. Okay, thank you. Thanks to all of you. Goodbye.